Hello everyone, it's SparklingChar and welcome to my channel. Coming in today to pick the winner for the card kit swap and collab. Yay! Okay, so I've attached the YouTube random video comment picker, and I'm gonna go and put in the URL for that video. We had 34 unique comments. Now we're gonna go and pick the winner. Push start and drum roll please. So congratulations, Crafty Michelle, who said that it's a really cute card, Char. So Michelle, just send me an email, sparklingchar@gmail.com, so you can claim your beautiful prize. And thank you guys for watching the card kit swap and collab. And Cindy, thank you so much for having an awesome card kit swap. Look forward to another one. And as you guys know, remember to always sparkle. Bye now.